Hey everybody, it's Beth. I grabbed this wall decor piece from Dollar Tree, removed the twine hanger from the back of it, and then I'm going to be gluing it to this box that I also got from Dollar Tree. I used a combination of Gorilla Grip glue and hot glue, just covered the top rim of the box and placed down the plaque. Now the box measures just under 4 inches wide and about 2 inches thick. Once they were glued together, I painted the entire thing with fired clay chalk paint by Folkart, giving that full coverage. Next, I'm taking this wooden dowel cap that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I'm using some antique wax by Waverly and a baby wipe to apply it. Just brushing that all on the dowel cap, ended up giving that 2 coats. I also used the baby wipe to brush on some of the antique wax to the entire box. Next, I am hot gluing the dowel cap to the top of the box, and then adding some hot glue around that and applying Spanish moss. I trimmed up the Spanish moss so it wasn't hanging over too much. I then took these leaves off of a pick I got from Hobby Lobby, I believe, and hot glued those to either side of the dowel cap and just glued it inside that moss. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.